Now it's time to focus on step 2, managing your debts by making minimum payments. Making at least the minimum payments on your debts is essential for debt control. It gives you the space to create a structured plan to gradually reduce and eliminate those outstanding balances. Think of it as laying the foundation for your financial house. Without it, your life can become unstable. Skipping even the minimum payment can have serious consequences. Late fees kick in, adding to your overall debt balance. These fees can add up quickly, making it even more challenging to get back on track financially. It's like trying to climb out of a financial hole while someone keeps throwing more dirt back in. Making minimum payments keeps you from digging yourself deeper and gives you a fighting chance to regain financial stability. Moreover, consistently making at least the minimum payments contributes positively to your credit history. Your credit score, a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, is influenced by factors such as payment history and debt-to-credit ratio. Lenders, landlords, and even potential employers may consider your credit score when evaluating your financial responsibility. A good credit score can open doors to better opportunities, such as qualifying for a mortgage or securing favorable interest rates on loans. Making minimum payments may seem like a small step, but it sets the stage for more significant strides toward financial freedom and sets you up perfectly to begin step 3.